Today, I'll show you how to create an envelope in DocuSign. Make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. First, open DocuSign and navigate to the Agreements section. This is your hub for managing all documents. Click Start Now to create a new envelope. Next, upload the document you want to send. You can select a file from your desktop or choose a template. Templates are great if you often send similar documents. They save time and maintain consistency. Click Use Template, then Test Template to make sure everything looks right. Once satisfied, click Add Selected. Now it's time to add recipients. Click Add Recipients and enter the email addresses of those who need to sign or review the document. Double check all details to ensure the envelope reaches the right people. Typology. Finally, click Next to review everything, then hit Send. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent an envelope in DocuSign, making your document workflow faster and more efficient.